We're looking at JD here on the weekly chart. You can see that we ended up basically flat on the week, and that's kind of the same thing that happened last week as well. We're riding this 9-day EMA that's currently trading at 33.20. That is more or less where we are trading right now. Going forward, what are we looking at? Well, this triangle in here, this colored triangle that we have placed, this represents our expected move by this Friday. So you have a $1.34 expected move sitting on the table right now, and then this dotted blue line on either side here represents the following Friday's expected move. So we'll see what happens in here. Kind of all this is on the table for the week, especially with all the catalysts coming up in here. So we're going to see what happens with our IV rank sitting at 35 and that $1.34 expected move priced in by this Friday. If we can hold that 9-day EMA, they're going to be looking up here right around that $35 range. If not, then we're going to be looking down here. We're going to get into this red demand zone down here, and that's going to be trading right in those lower 31. So this is going to be an area that you can see once we get in here, we kind of stay in here for a while, although we do have little pops and volatility and whatnot. But still, once we get inside this red zone, then we kind of stay in here for just a minute. So hopefully we can get back up above those 35s and then head back up in here to the supply zone where our 200 SMA is currently trading, and that's trading at that $40 range. So we'll see what happens in here. Your options chain basically pricing in about $1.34 expected move by this Friday. It looks like a lot of action was on the puts on the 32s, but also you had quite a bit of action on your 33 and a halves, 34, 34 and a halves, 35, etc. on the call side. So we'll see what happens as we work our way throughout these catalysts this coming week. We're going to see who's going to win the battle in the overall net flow and the options activity in our options chain for JD. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you're interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.